Hi friends, myself Ramesh Krishna. Today I will tell about one important problem which is belongs to real numbers. It is very important model and exam point of view it is very important. Let us see the problem. Prove that root 3 is a irrational. Again I will read. Prove that root 3 is irrational. Solution. Let assume that root 3 is rational. So what is the rational form? That is root 3 equal to a by b. So rational numbers means a number which is in the form of a by b, and a and b are integers. B are integers. So b not equal to 0 and a b are coprimes. Here the word coprimes. What is coprimes? Coprimes means numbers which have their common factor is as 1. 1 is the common factor of given two numbers. That is known as coprimes. Coprimes means they have only one common factor which must be 1. There is no other common factors for that numbers. So here AB are coprimes. So AB are coprime means A and B has only one common factor. It must be only 1. Okay. Then it is rational number. So squaring on both sides, that is root 3 whole square equal to a by b whole square. Square root cancel, 3 equal to a square by b square. So this b square brings from right hand side to left hand side, it will be multiplied this 3, that is 3b square is equal to a square. So take it as 1, equation 1. Here b square is equal to a square by 3, which means 3 divides a square. Similarly 3 divides a. Take this is 2. Here 3 divides a. That means 3 divides a. 3 exactly divides a. So here 3 divides a c times, then we get a, that equal to 0. Here 3c equal to a. 3 into c equal to a. 3 into c equal to a. So again I will tell here 3 divides a. That is 3 exactly divides a, which means 3 cancelling a c times. So multiply these two, we get dividend, that is 3 into c equal to a. Similarly I write here 3 into c equal to a. Again squaring on both sides. So that is 3c whole square is equal to a square. So expand this, 3 square into c square is equal to a square, that is 9c square is equal to a square. So 9c square is equal to a square. So from 1 we write a square equal to 3b square. So here replace a square value by 3b square from 1. So 9c square by 3 equal to b square. This 3 cancel in 9 3 times. That is 3c square equal to b square. So now come to here. We get 3c square equal to b square. C square equal to b square by 3. So here we observe that 3 divides b square. 3 divides b square. Similarly, 3 divides b. This is 0.3. From 2 and 3, a comma b has 3 as a common factor other than 1. That means here 3 is a common factor of a and b. So which means a and b are not co-primes. Why? Because here a and b has another common factor which is 3. So we get 3c square equal to b square. Here c square equal to b square by 3. So that means 3 divides b square. Similarly, 3 divides b. This is 3. From 2 and 3, 3 is common factor of a and b. So a and b are not co-primes. Why? Because here a and b has another common factor other than 1, that is 3. So our assumption is false. So root 3 is not a rational number. That means root 3 is irrational. Hence, proof. Thank you for watching.